Fourth mean third one. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. Kiara, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2. Which of the following is an AP? And if it is so, find the three more terms. That is the question. Here, first term is what? 1 minus 1.2. Common difference A2 minus A1. That is minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. So you will get minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2. So how much you will get? Difference is 2. So A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. A3 minus A2 minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. That is minus 5.2 plus 3.2. This is minus 2 you will get. Then A4 minus A3 also you will get minus 2. Therefore, it is an AP. Now, you have to find the other three terms. Fourth term we know. Fifth term will be fourth term plus D. That is minus 7.2 minus 2. So minus 9.2, A5. A6 minus 9.2 minus 2. It is minus 11.2. A7. A6 plus D minus 11.2 minus 2. So A7 is minus 13.2. Next one. Fourth one. Minus 10 minus 6. Minus 2 comma 2. Not April. Minus 6, here 4, no? This is also 4. It's AP, no? It's an AP. Plus 4. A2 minus A1 minus 6 minus of minus 10. So minus 6 plus 10, it is minus 4. Plus 4. So A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2 minus of minus 6. So you will get minus 2 minus into minus plus 6. So you will get again plus 4. A4 minus A3. 2 minus of minus 2. Again it is plus 4. So it is an A. It is an AP. So what you will get here? The other terms. Fifth term will be A4 plus D. So 4, D is 4, A4 is 2. So A5 is 6. A6, it is 10. A7, it is 40. Fifth, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.42 you have like this. So A2 minus A1 is 0.22 minus 0.2. You will get A2 minus A1 is equal to 0.02 you will get. Next, this minus this. So what you will get here? So you will get 0.0000302. Okay. So since you will not have the common difference, it is not an AP. Sixth one, right? Hmm. So okay, seventh one got no. Okay, we'll go for the next one portion. 7 and 8 you also got no man. We will do the 10th one once. Listen, A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Is it an AP or not? Listen. A2 minus A1 is equal to 2A minus A. That is A. Then A3 minus A2 here, it is 3A minus A, it is 2A. Here. No, 2A only, A will get. Again here, A4 minus A3 is equal to 4A minus 3A. So again A will get. Same, the common difference is A. Therefore, it is an AP. 10th one. And the 11th one, 11th one, Tejashree is an AP or not? It's not an AP. 11th one. A square minus A. Actually, you can't subtract, you have to keep it as it is here. Next, A cube minus A square. So they are not equal. Therefore, it is not an AP. AP here.
Okay. So if you subtract it, you don't get the same thing.
So this one, last one we will do this and we'll continue with the remaining. Here 8 root 2, 8 I can write it as 4 into 2. 18, 9 into 2. Then you have 32. 9 into 2. So this is root 2. Keisha, 3 root 2. Be quiet for some time. So this, first next is 18, next is 32. 32 is 16 into 2. That is 4 root 2. So here common differences. Okay. This understood, no? Understood or having doubt? So term of A. For example, first example 3 here. Find the 10th term of AP. That is 2, 7, 12 and it goes. So fourth term, it is easy to find. When you want to find the 10th term, you can find directly, but it will take time, right? So we use a formula. Formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Listen once here. A is the first term here. A is the first term. Okay. So first term is what? A is equal to 2. Then common difference is what? A2 minus A1. So D is equal to 7 minus 2, that is 5. D we got, A we got. What about N? We want to find the nth term, 10th term. So here N is equal to 10. Clear? Now AN means you have to find for N is equal to 10. That means you are trying to find a 10th term. Okay, again I repeat, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We use this formula to find the any term which we want to find in the AP. Okay, A is the first term, D is the common difference, that is A2 minus A1. Okay, and N will indicate which term you want to calculate. That is, N is the 10th term here I want to find. So N is equal to 10. And AN, that is A 10 term I want to find. So A10 is equal to A is what? 2 plus N is 10, 10 minus 1 into D, that is 5. Okay, so A10 is equal to 2 plus 9 5s are 45. So A10 will be equal to 47. Vihan, how much you are
Order
getting?
to find the tenth term.
Nth term. Nth term, that is any term in between I want to find. If I want to find here 10th term, so n is equal to 10. What is its value? That is 8. So that I am trying to calculate. 122. Understood now? Gavin understood. So what is the nth term value? That is 47. Which term I am finding? That is n, that is 10. Okay. A25, you are getting 122. Okay. Example, what he has given, which term of AP, write down the question, which term of the AP, that is 21, 18, 15, and it goes on, is minus 81. Also, is any term 0? This is the question. Okay. So he is asking, is minus 81? Which term we get it as the value as minus 81? So in between somewhere you will get minus 81. So which term is that? That is here you have to find n value. Some value minus 81 you will get somewhere. So which is that term? N value he is asking. Okay. This time he has given a n value, you have to find n. So here a is equal to 21, d is equal to 18 minus 21. So d is equal to minus 3. And n we have to calculate. An, it is minus 81. Somewhere we get 81. Which term is that? So n you have to calculate. An is minus 81. Now calculate and tell me what you will get. Next in this, he is asking also, is any term 0? So whatever answer we got here, n was 35, right? Next is asking,
Minus
no, plus 35. N cannot be minus. Minus 3. Okay. Also, is any term 0? He is asking. That is, here you are getting negative numbers. So in between can be 0 or not? We don't know because.
Yes.
So how do you know if it is 0 or not? So put an is 0. We want an should be equal to 0. Okay. So put an is equal to 0. So what you will get? 0 is equal to a is 21 plus. Okay. N minus 1 into d is minus 3. So 21 shift to the other side, plus 21 will become minus 21. So minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 21 by minus 3. So n minus 1 is minus into minus plus, so you will get 7. N is equal to 8. Here, since you are getting n value and whole number, so 0 will be there. Okay, 0 is in the AP. If you are getting something like 8.2, then n that 0 is not in the AP. You will have 8th term or 9th term. In between, you don't have. So, whenever you are getting some, if by chance decimal like 8.2, 8.5, that means in between the two numbers it is there. It's not in that AP. Understood? Now, here, n you are getting a whole number. That is why 0 is in this AP. So, write that. N, conclusion you should write. N is a whole number. Therefore, 0 is in the AP. Arithmetic progression. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. Okay. So you have to find the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. So you have to find the AP means what? You have to find A and D. If you know A and D, I can find the complete AP numbers. Correct? So third term is 5. So A3, what is first? AN is equal to what? A plus N minus 1 into D. So A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So A3 will be what? A plus 2D. Correct? So A plus 2D is what? 5. So one equation, A plus 2D is equal to 5. First equation. Okay. Next. Seventh term is 9. So A7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Or A7 is equal to A plus 6D. Correct? So A7 value he has given, it is 9. So A plus 6D is equal to 9. This is the second equation. Then now we have two equations, two unknowns. A plus 2D is 5. A plus 6D is equal to 9. Do the elimination method here. So change the sign here. Linear equation, what we have to do is elimination method. Minus A plus A is 0. 2D minus 6D is what? Minus 4D. So that is equal to minus 4. So D is equal to minus 4 by minus 4. So D is equal to 1. Okay, right there. Now D, I know I can find A. A plus 2D is what? 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2D. So A is equal to 5 minus 2. So A is equal to 3. Okay. So this time they ask many times the question to find A and D. So if you know, once you know A and D, I can write the AP. So what is the AP here? 3, 4, 5, 6, it goes on. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers, 5, 11, 17, 23, and it goes on. So you have to check in this AP whether 301 is a term or not. Somewhere it comes or not. Okay, check it. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is An here? Here 301. So n we will get it as 5.3, I think. So n is not a positive integer. N is not a positive integer. Therefore, it is not an AP. Therefore, 301 is not in the AP. Is not in the AP. Okay. Try with the example 7. Okay. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Here, two-digit numbers, it starts from two-digit numbers, it starts from 10, right? And ends at 99. It ends at 99. So 10 is divisible by 3? No. 11? No. So 12 is the first number which is divisible. Then what about 99? Is it divisible? Yeah. So first number is 12 here. What will be the common difference here? 3 is the common difference. So 12, next number will be 15. It goes on. So common difference is 3. And the last number, an, it is 99. So find the n value. Now do this. How many two-digit numbers? So they should do it and tell me the answer. Two-digit numbers is divisible by 7. Two-digit number, it is 14, right? So then comes the 21, it goes on. So last number will be 98, which is divisible by 7. So what is A here? 14. D common difference is 7. And the last number AN is 98. So find the N value. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 98 is equal to 14 plus N you have to calculate into 7. Okay. Equal to N minus 1. The N you will get it as 11th term from the last term. From the last term towards the first term. Towards the first term of the AP. Okay. So what is AP given? 10, 7, 4, and it goes until the last term is minus 62. Okay. Now here 11th term you have to calculate from the last. 11th term you have to calculate from the last term. So one way is that shift the AP in the opposite way and try to find the 11th term. Okay, one way that is easier actually. Find the minus 62 first. Okay, like this. Then you got 4, 7, 10, like this. Okay, I am shifting the AP in the from the last. I am trying to write the AP now. So it will be like minus 62. It goes on 4, 7, 10, like this. Last number is 10. Okay. So here, from the last, I want 11, right? So from here, if I calculate the 11th term, it will be the one what we want. So N is equal to 11 here. A is equal to minus 62. And what about D here? Can you tell me what is D? 3. Plus 3 or minus 9? Plus 3. 10 minus 7, it is 3. This is the term basis. I've shifted the AP in the opposite way. Okay. Now what will be the number? Calculate. Now what will be the number? N we got. 11th term you have to calculate. AN calculate. Calculate and tell me how much you will get. Minus 30. Correct. So AN, it is minus 30. Again, I repeat, this is important problem. Many times they ask this type of terms. 2 marks. So find the 11th term from the last term towards the first term. This actually AP is like this. From the last, you should get the 11th term. 11th term from the last. So what we will do, we will shift the AP to the like this. So it was minus 62. Then what we got 4, 7, 10. So A now is minus 62. Now 11th term is the one what we want. So N is 11. And what is D here? D is the common difference. The successive one minus the earlier one, right? So 7 minus 4, 3 is no. It is not minus, it is plus. So you calculate AN is equal to minus 30. The other way is keep the AP itself like that. But you 11th term from the last, which term it comes from the first, you should calculate. Then you should find it. Understood? No? From the last, if it is 11, from the first, which term it will come, you have to calculate. Find that N value, then put the value and find. You can do that. So I think this is easier to do. Okay, we'll stop here. From tomorrow, no one is disturbing the class. And you have to do. You also, everyone I'm telling.
Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.